Today we're showing you a 2017 Kubota M7060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, open operator station, has the Canopy top on it, comes with a Kubota LA 1154 quick attach front loader. Tractor is showing about 30 hours, however we do believe the hour meter has been replaced, so I'm going to estimate the hours somewhere in that 300 to 400 hour range. Certainly not a high hour tractor, but certainly do believe it's got more than the 30 that are in the meter. So the tractor overall is in really nice shape. Paint's really good on it. The bucket does not look like it's hardly been used. It does have the skid steer cell hookup for your bucket connection, front grill guard, and again it does have the Canopy top on it. Has the R4 industrial tires. A little bit of a dent here in the right fender. Toolbox on the fender. Stabilizer, or I'm sorry, the telescopic arms on your 3-point. Also has the stabilizer bars. 540 PTO, rear remote, top link, everything's there. A little bit of a scuff back here that we touched up. It's a nice clean tractor. These tractors are obviously very popular, very well-liked tractors. It does have the hydraulic shuttle, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Tilt steering wheel. Nice suspension seat on these tractors. Four-wheel drive engagement here to the left of the seat. Over here to the right, you've got your two main transmission levers. You got 4 gears, which are all synchronized, and then you have your range lever back here, and then also your hand throttle and the short little orange lever there. Loader control, rear remote, PTO 3-point also all to the right. Down below you've got foot throttle, individual brakes, kickstand for your tilt steering wheel, and your clutch pedal there. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. Also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you do have a trade, we can work off of pictures. You can text or email us some pictures. We'll be happy to help. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors, we stock approximately 120 tractors, all used on our yard here. If you have questions, please contact us.